Hello everyone, how are you? This is Kazim Abbas and you are watching my how to channel. Here is another tutorial and today I will show you how to use video editor in Windows 10. It's free. Let's jump into it. Go to the search box and write video editor. Here is the best match. Just click on it. It will open the window and you will see this is the video editor in Windows 10. It's totally free. You can use it and make videos, edit. Just try one new video project. Okay, and here you can add some file of video or picture and then can try it. For example, I add in this picture and move in the storyboard. And here are the options available which you can use. Make new text on this video or picture, motion, and 3D effect. When you click any of these options, take a while and take you into 3D effects options. For example, we will select this one and click done. And now we can test it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you so much.